How to find trending filters on Instagram Reel, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to find trending filters on Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram app, and this is where you will get we can create reels on Instagram by using different filters and different effects, stickers. So how to find the trending effects and filters on Instagram Reels? For that, you will have to open up your Instagram camera. So I'm gonna swipe, and this is our Instagram camera here. At the bottom, you need to switch to the reel option. Make sure you are inside reels and not stories. So I have selected reels here, and you can see we can now record a reel. And at the side of your screen, you are getting the audio option, music, and then we have the filters. So you're gonna click on it, and it will show you the different options. And you can see we have trending, reels, and then we have appearance. So you can actually customize your search. So I'm going to go to the trending right here, and it will show me all of the trending filters on Instagram Reels. So you can see this one, all of the filters have their name, and you will be able to use them. Just need to select that filter, and it will be added on your reel. Now you can record your reel with the filter, and then you can add music if you want. Click on next, and it will have that effect. So you can see, you just need to click here and click on trending to find the trending filters on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.